In a world where Flaming Hot Cheetos becomes a way of life, in our pizza, our chicken, the mac, the cheese, even your favorite beverage, has it gone too far? Yes, yes, it has. But we can go farther. One man, one dessert, a totally original idea. Flaming Hot Cheesecake. Now you might be asking yourself, Power, why do you have a different shirt on? What's the square root of pi? Can cows really jump over the moon? And what makes your cheesecake better? I don't fucking know. To answer the last question, nothing. This video is not a cooking video. This video is me roasting myself. Because I'm an idiot who doesn't know how to record shit. Who doesn't know how to cook, apparently. Which sucks. But it happened. See, the problem started as soon as I hit record. Because for some reason, I was zoomed in the entire time. I didn't even know it. So for half of what I recorded is just me zoomed really close into a bowl and you can't see anything. Next, I forgot to buy a hand mixer, so I had to mix everything with a fork. You know how hard it is to cream cheese with a fork? I don't last long. My arm gets tired really quick. That's not even to say for the starting for the cheesecake. See, for the crusts, I was gonna make it out of Flaming Hot Cheetos. And my fat ass ate a good amount of the Cheetos. So I didn't have enough crust to fill up the entire pan. My fault? Yes. But I blame the economy. And then I tried to make a topping out of some the flaming hot tamales, tamale candy, yeah, something like that. Flaming hot tamales. I was gonna make a cheesecake and or not cheesecake, a topping out of it. And when I was my plan was I was gonna melt it down and make like a good swirl, kind of like how you see like strawberry cheesecakes and shit, nice and swirled in with like a jelly. But turns out that shit does not like to melt, or at least not quick. And I was filming this at like 9 o'clock at night after I got off work, and I was tired. I just wanted to get it done. Um, so yeah. Instead, I got this goopy mess that just didn't look right. It tasted like the flaming hot tamales, but it ain't taste right. The one saving grace is that the cheesecake part, the cheesecake filling, tasted good. The one thing I did good on, right? And then after I got everything put together, I dropped my camera face first into the cheesecake. Into the cheesecake. I was pissed. It sucked so much. I had to spend like 20 minutes just trying to clean the camera. It is still look at this. Look at this. This part, the shutter, it, it's fucked. There's still fucking gummy shit in there. I can't even fucking open it. I can't even open it anymore. It's fucked. I can still use the camera. The lens is clean. I can still use it, so more videos. Uh, but no, it didn't work. And then yeah, I mean the baking process went well. I mean it looked when I pulled it out, it looked like a murder scene happened, but it went well for that part. And then I had this what the that chili chocolate made with like chilies in it, so it was like a spicy chocolate. I was like, ooh, you know what? I can use this cheese grater to shred it up and put it on. That didn't work. So I thought, you know what? That's okay. I can use this knife to cut it up and put it on. It didn't work. I used my hands. I just broke the chocolate, threw it on there. Right? So lastly, trying to record the the taste test of it was a bit of a mess because I had to go to my parents' house because my buddy Chris, aka CIG, you're a dick, ghosted my texts and wouldn't answer until a week later. So I had to go to my parents or my dad's house where my brother was, and they got a bunch of kids, so it was a bit loud. But as you can see in these next clips, we all gave some fair ratings out of it. Uh, the biggest shocker was what my dad gave it.
Is it good?
I'm debating.
It's spicy.
That's the point of it being spicy.
I didn't say it was spicy, I said it was crunchy.
Complete honest opinion, I would say a 5 out of 10.
5 out of 10?
3.
3? I could eat that whole thing though. That's my point.
I
love you, Tanner.
I'll leave this here.
Tanner, I love you.
I'm here for it.
Tanner,
How is it, Jacob?
I love you.
I love you, Tammy. How do you like it? See, you're like, it's kind of iffy. Like, what is my opinion after eating it?
There's a lot I
think
could have done better.
Yeah, camera, you're my guy. You're a terrible cameraman. That's why I ain't hiring you.
I didn't want to be hired.
Honestly,
I would pay you to give me attention.
that's whatever.
There has to be a number.
Here,
Okay, I'm on the phone with my bestie, so I'm leaving.
you're like a 4 out of 10.
4?
Yeah.
So I gave it too much? Yeah.
No. What'd you say?
5.
5. And she said 3. Yeah.
I said 3.5.
Oh! Hey!
It is what it is. It is what it is. Out of 10?
I'll give it an 8. I like it.
An 8?
Yeah.
All right. All right. Thank you. So yeah, not the cooking video I was planning on making, not the cooking video I wanted to make, which kind of sucks, but I mean, hell, I hope it was at least enjoyable. I will keep trying to make some. I got a lot of things I need to figure out, cause one, I made that channel update saying, hey, try to upload weekly. Weekend after, I started my second job, started working on the weekends, lost all the time I had, and was like, fuck. Which is the reason this video, I recorded this video, Father's Day? No. The weekend after Father's Day, I recorded this video, and it is now, recording this part, July 19th, and by the time I upload it, it'll probably be a little after. So, yeah. Not what I wanted, not what I expected, but it's what we got. Yeah. I'm gonna try to work on getting better at editing videos too, because I won't be like, those fancy people that have the background music and more funny edits. I think I did a decent job with this. Thanks for watching. Make sure to keep an eye out for more videos. I plan on, in the future, redoing this specific recipe, because I know for a fact I can do it a lot better, and now that I know everywhere I fucked up on, I can definitely make it really good, so everyone says it's an 8 out of 10, maybe a 10 out of 10 eventually. But keep an eye out for more videos. If you like the video, give it a like. Comment any recipes y'all want me to try. I'm willing to take any ideas, whether it be something stupid. Like, half the recipes I'm coming up with are just stupid things that I just think of in my head and think, hey, that might be good. Might be shit. Maybe good. Yeah, make sure to follow me on TikTok, because I will plan on uploading some bloopers. I had my friend, while I was recording this, record it on a different like through Discord, so it's like a whole other point of view. You can watch that. Make sure to check out my Twitch. I've been streaming more on there. And with all that said, toodaloo, y'all have a great day. Now you might be asking yourself, Power, huh?